Um, Hi guys, hello ladies and gentlemen. My name is Arewa, as you all know. So I think I want to start a statement, 3 minute stops, maybe two, three times a week, discussing some misconceptions about our Yoruba history, where we are getting some things wrong. So I'm going to be doing just 3 minute tops video every maybe two, three times a week. Just comment below what next misconceptions you want me to talk about, or let's discuss one or two things. So I'm going to start today. For today, I want to talk about people that normally say, oh, Ni is not part of Oduduwa's children. So if you say Oni is not part of Oduduwa's children, agreed. Is Alaafin part of Oduduwa's children? Is Owa Obokun part of Oduduwa's children? Is Alaketu part of Oduduwa's children, or Oregunlela, or Onipopo of Popo, Onishabe of Shabe? Are they part of Oduduwa's children? No, they are not, because we are mixing it up. The word Owa Obokun is not a name, it is a title. Alaafin is not a name, it is a title. Alaketu of Ketu is not a name, it is a title. Alake of Egba, it is not a name, it is a title. Same goes for Awujale and the rest like that. So it is a title, it is not their name. It is not their name. And in the Ile-Ife then, when you become king, you are free to choose probably a title name that you want. That you want to use on your throne. You can choose it. In Ile-Ife, they are using the Oni they are using now is the sixth. And this same practice is still ongoing in Ketu. For instance, the Alaketu on throne as of now chose the title of Alade Ife. It is a title, it is not a name. Even in Oyo, Alaafin is not the first title being used in Oyo. They've used Oloyo. It is just a title, it is not a name. That is where you don't see that Oni is not part of it. The word On is a title, it is not a name. In Ile-Ife, they've used Adimula, they've used Oye, they've used Owa, they've used Olofin, they've used Olufe. The one they are using now is Oni. The first title being used in Ife is Olufe. In Oyo, the first one being used is Oloyo, not Alaafin. So it is a title, it is not a name.